kerki pala radu kata-kata man haman mare ni suka man wara eu chief minister syakani ke jaka kalong tang kuwi kadau kata-kata kalong ba unyo I dalade ya kani kadong kathan untep ya ka jingot ke jingnam jong ki ba ni layat lenti ngalanang matai ke ki jinglong jingman hangni ke ki jingkwa jing angnud jong ki ba bat ngasmo bonong ba kani ketika kabuksiar na ta jungi kadong kathani bora kawai bat kumbala ong mene dalade bon phi phila sutho ya kafaran yong ba nginle ya ke ki jing don kam ki jing angnud jong ne kadong kathan tang lada phi ya trelang bat ka parti MPP kamot phin Punjab yang aku mu MDC bat kani jing angnud jong chief minister namar balada ngile bha kanno phi ki ba phim itho ya ka Sorkar phim itho ya kabor kabade ban le kita member kata kerpat ipi kipat ba sobha ya trelang biang sa hisen ngalaya thu chief minister mo bakani ka polling station kabade tang ka polling station kaba Punjab ha kani ka MP election badi chief minister lakman do kata sa the only polling station last MP election we won only this the entire area the entire constituency so this polling station is voting for the NPP for you, sir. Na gua bani tu ya pembro anoi kalong ba ku chibil sa lakmen ba berka parti lakmen ba barngai skam poi noi dang Punjab dan Bromlot sa chikla bat kanoi jong Punjab dan Brom poi bat khamtam kanoi ka bor ka ba poi ai chin perchang bun bodin ya kinoi ki jong angnud jong dong than bat khamtam la dang job lele na suthu na do manaka inoi ki benai bada ki bai part ki por ke ba chief minister ba preston ada bong kinu ki kam ngin le bet tamba me happen job election tan bar kata chile trich tamba chile persang batong pensuthu pa ba bari pun job nomor wa kinu license chidere ban panlen oi nomor chi anak Sorkar te tak kinu kinten kubli chipon yang pai baro na kabenta kan por khamta mi jong pelaj por jong pai chi bat ki jong anut jong ka school jong padar jong angnud jong kadong than na dala jong ngan sabodin ki scheme ki jong tho ki nom ki application ke poila ai ngan sabodin rengkat bat ki rangba jong chi kubli sibon kubli sejango
there's a plan from above that I must come here to see this place to realize and understand the difficulties that people are facing. And I'm thanking Mawkyrwat and others for having made me come here. He was very particular. He said, sir, don't be like other politicians. Don't only come to Mawkyrwat and go back. You are chief minister. You have to see Mawkyrwat also. You have to see all the locations and villages. Only then can you do a difference and make a difference in people's lives. And that is why I'm here today and an opportunity for the people of Mawkyrwat area and this entire zone to use the facilities and the power of the Chief Minister. Through my candidate Mawkyrwat and through my candidate Mandilos, who both are contesting, and they are my right hand and my left hand. For any work that I need to do, it is the government's work will be through these individuals. And so I urge the people of both the constituencies, let us work with the government. It is a government that can bring development. It is a government that can make the difference that we want. All other political parties, as I said, their lecture and their speech, after 24th of February, you will not find them. But after 24th of February, NPP government will still continue in the state. And we will be there to work with you. We will be there to support you and to make the difference. I have too many applications. I don't think I can speak about all of them. But I could see one common issue that was there, mentioning about the Wakaji to Ranikor road. And this is one important road. I am personally taking it up at the central government, and I will make sure that this road is taken up and completed. There are many people who even objected to this road. So many leaders were objecting to this road that we have made. Why should people be denied of development? There are issues, I understand. Those issues need to be resolved in a different way. But just because of those issues doesn't mean people should be deprived of development. I don't believe that. Development is required. The other issues we will handle. It is not necessary that because road is there, some problem will happen. No. Road is needed for basic development for the people. And so I assure you that I will look into this. This is one of my top priorities to ensure that the Wakaji Ranikor road is taken up. I am also happy to inform you that there is a very, very strong possibility for the Kinshi project also. I think somebody has mentioned out here about the Kinshi project also.